Mini bike pumps are essential tools for cyclists, providing a convenient solution for inflating tires on the go. These compact devices pack a surprising amount of power into their small frames, making them an indispensable companion on long rides or in case of emergencies. Equipped with a durable construction and a variety of features, they offer efficient and effortless inflation for both Presta and Schrader valves. Their lightweight design ensures easy portability, fitting neatly into a backpack or mounted on a bike frame. With their user-friendly mechanisms, these pumps enable quick and precise pressure adjustments, ensuring optimal tire performance and ride comfort. Whether you're a casual rider or a seasoned cyclist, mini bike pumps prove to be reliable, compact, and efficient tools that should never be left behind. Hello, everyone! Join me in this video where I'll present the newest mini bike pumps. Make sure to subscribe and like for future updates. Let's jump into the review and discover their features and benefits. Based on our evaluation, we have ranked GIYO as the 5th best product in our assessment. This CNC bike tire pump features an all-metal valve lock lever that is incredibly user-friendly. Simply press it onto the tire valve and lock it in place for a secure fit with no leaks. Don't waste your time and effort pumping with an inferior pump. Our pump is the perfect solution for hassle-free pumping. This CNC telescopic barrel boasts a double-size air capacity, allowing you to easily inflate your low-pressure, high-volume mountain bike tires. The telescopic barrel is thoughtfully designed to provide optimal efficiency and performance. This bike tire pump is specially designed to offer superior pumping performance for mountain bike tires, which require low pressure but a higher volume of air. Please note that this model is not recommended for road bike tires or high-pressure tires. If you need a pump for those purposes, we have other high-quality bike tire pumps available in our Amazon store. This all-metal aluminum alloy CNC bike tire pump is constructed from durable and sturdy all-metal material and features an elegant hammered finish that adds a touch of sophistication. This bike pump portable features a sturdy lever lock and innovative valve design that provides a secure fit for both Presta and Schrader valves. You can confidently pump up your mountain bike tires, knowing that you have a reliable and efficient pump at your disposal. Among our top-rated products, a ROCKBROS item has secured the 4th position on the list. The bike tire pump being able to pump manually as well as using CO2 inflator. You can do most of the filling with the hand pump, then switch to the CO2 cartridges to get a high pressure. The bike air pump has ingenious design, works with Presta and Schrader valves. No matter you own mountain or road bikes, it's a portable bike pump for all, and you don't have to carry a Presta converter any longer. The mini bike pump only 5.5 inches long, 0.16 pounds. You can stick it in bike bag with all of other emergency bike repair tools and it barely takes up and space. You can mount bicycle frame pump on a bike frame using the included mounting bracket. The mini bike pump is made from superior quality CNC machined aluminum alloy with durable and precise parts, durable and not easy to damage. So you can have a safe and enjoyable ride. As CO2 bike tire inflator, no frozen fingers when operating. Use soft sponge insulated sleeve. As hand pump, handle with non-slip threads for a great grips, quickly inflate your bike tires and keep riding. The TOOLITIN brand's product has attained the 3rd position on our list of top-rated products. The pump body is made of iron, which has high corrosion resistance and wear resistance. The hose is made of high elastic rubber, which has the characteristics of heat resistance, cold resistance, and high pressure resistance. Hand bike pump with a shelf can be installed next to the bottle rack. It is convenient when riding a bicycle. The clip with rubber rope can make the well-made air pump stable and reliable and will not shake or fall from the bicycle. 8.6 inch can easily fit into the bag. 2 gas valves can be easily switched between Presta and Schrader without adapters, simple and fast, strong compatibility and high efficiency. Can inflate swimming rings, life jackets, air cushions, basketball, rugby, football, and other sports balls. Especially suitable for mountain, road bikes, strollers, wheelchairs. The mini bike pump is 8.6 inch long. The hose can extend 3 inch and the pump air capacity is up to 120 psi. Convenient for daily use and emergency repair of bicycle tires. Securing the second spot on our top list is a product from the ICOCOPRO brand. Made from superior quality aluminium alloy with durable and precise parts, which are built to last. Ultra-durable design and easy to carry, with high pressure capacity 160 psi, mini bike pump can be used to inflate bike tires during emergency repairs or simply to maintain tire pressure over the course of a season. Easy and free to switch both of Presta and Schrader valves, which makes a perfect mini bike pump for both road or mountain bikes connections and enables a tight seal with no air leaks. Get rid of adapter tightening, can pump up, never worry with the adapter. The smallest body makes it small enough to fit in any of your pockets or backpacks, plus the lightest weight makes this portable bike pump is almost weightless and extremely compact that can be attached to the bike frame under the water bottle cage with the mounting bracket. A 7-shaped design makes the pumping action more smooth and effortless. The surface is designed with non-slip stripes. It won't leave from your hand when pumping. Quick pumping power and accurate inflation. Reach riding pressure with 30% fewer pumping strokes than conventional mini bike pump. Claiming the top position on our list is the product from the BV brand. It comes with a bracket that mounts where a bottle cage would mount on a bike. Securing strap is attached to mounting bracket for extra hold on the mini pump while riding. Mounting bracket is made for mounting on multiple bike frame locations. The pump securely snaps into the mount for a snug fit. This bike floor pump can also be used on inflating sport balls and pool floats or water tubes. It can work on basketball, football, volleyball and soccer ball, or pool floats like swim rings and river tubes. So that is why we provide an extra bonus of ball inflating needle and inflatable device with your floor pump. Use our bonus ball needle to inflate any type of balls. Presta or Schrader valve is great for using on any bike. Great for adult bikes, but also small enough to fit in those tiny wheels. Multifunctional pump can also inflate wheels on strollers. Make sure your stroller is easy to push on your walks. Are you tired of air inflating floaties for your kids? Look no further. Bonus air nozzle is perfect for saving your lungs. Just attach yellow nozzle and you are good to start inflating. Your opinion matters to us. We encourage you to share your thoughts on the mini bike pump that caught your attention in the comments section below. Your feedback is invaluable and will contribute to the enhancement of our content. Thank you for actively engaging with us.